You know, we got here about 10 o'clock this morning, and we've been filling, and the storm rolled in, and so we've been kind of catching up on the bag making process. So we haven't really had much contact, but I'm sure as things start dying down with the storm, they'll be coming back down. You know, it's just a matter of time for it to get hit again.
Great.
We're just waiting for the next rain to come.
Yeah.
We had one just a little while ago that wasn't that big. Looked like some work that had been done yesterday by some backhoes up here paid off, and it avoided going through some of the other areas between houses.
It looks like the storm that came through a couple days ago hit you pretty hard.
Well, Tuesday was a big surprise. It wasn't a surprise. We just didn't know how much it was going to be.
We live at the base of the mountains, and it's a disaster. Our property back